Cladco Woodgrain Composite Wall Cladding Boards feature an authentic wood grain effect for a contemporary look for your home or building. Each Cladco Woodgrain Composite Wall Cladding Board weighs approximately 6.95 kilograms and is available in 8 attractive composite colours to suit your building and its surroundings. Featuring a realistic timber surface, Cladco Woodgrain Composite Cladding replicates high-quality wood without the hassle or upkeep. Each 3.6 metre Cladco wall cladding board can be installed horizontally or vertically for flexibility. The simple design of Cladco Composite Wall Cladding Boards makes installation quick and easy, with screws hidden by the overlapping tongue and groove design. We recommend using Cladco 4 metre composite battens or 4.2 metre Type A timber battens to make your base for Cladco composite cladding. Cladco Woodgrain Composite Wall Cladding Boards are a low-maintenance alternative to traditional cladding and require no treatment, varnishing or painting, saving you money in the long run. Unlike traditional timber cladding, Cladco Woodgrain Composite Wall Cladding will not attract insects or pests, as well as being rot and splinter resistant. Due to the hardwood fibres within the boards, Cladco Woodgrain Composite Cladding can be worked into your design using a jigsaw or normal wood saw. Cladco Woodgrain Effect Composite Wall Cladding Boards are manufactured from 60% recycled wood fibres and 40% recycled plastics, making this a long-lasting, environmentally friendly solution for your project. Cladco composite corner trims can be used to finish your wall cladding design, available in all 8 composite colours to match your project.